Copying or moving the kits on the module is very simple. All we do is we find a kit that we like. In this case, I'm going to take the number 6 vintage loose and we decide where we want to put it. I'm going to put it right at the very end from the top. All I do is I've got two ways of doing this. I either press the tools button and I can press copy kit, or another way, on the module you'll notice that there is a shift button here. Well, the shift button, when we hold that down, means that anything that's got grey written underneath is going to choose that. So if I press shift here and it's got copy at the top here, look, where it says backup, then the copy screen comes up. I can copy different things. I could just copy a pad, I could copy an instrument set, but in this case I'm going to copy the actual kit itself. All I do is I press enter and it's coming up now saying, right, this is the source kit we're going to copy, 06, and this is the destination. In other words, where do I want to put this kit? Well, I don't want to put it over the top of 06 again. Like I said, I want to put it at the very end. So I'm going to go all the way past all of my kits, all the way up to 200, and you can see that I've been using these for my kits, and the first free user kit is 195, and all I've got to do is either say exchange or copy. Exchange means it's going to take those two kits and swap them around. I don't want to do that. I literally want to copy it. So press copy. Am I sure? Here I have to press the arrow to come across and press enter, and now it's going to copy that. When I press kit again, you'll notice that now look, I'm on 195 and I've got that same kit. To rename the kit, all I need to do is press the tools button here, and you can see that I've got the option copy kit, copy paste kit, and then kit name. Well, that's what I want to change, so I press select, and in here, look, you can see that all I do is I use the dial here to choose which letters. I can delete letters, and we can write in there whatever we want. Once you've finished, there isn't a complete button or anything like that. All we do is we press exit, and you'll see it's renamed it.